We have the question, which of the following is not consistent with the statement? In a painting that consists of different colored shapes, only the equilateral shapes are painted red. So what we want to do is, based on this statement here, we need to determine which of the answer choices cannot happen. And we want to focus on the part that says only the equilateral shapes are painted red. So we want to go through one by one and see which one cannot be true based on the statement only the equilateral shapes are painted red. For A, we have the painting has red triangles. Well, that's okay. If it says only the equilateral shapes are painted red and the painting has red triangles, well, those red triangles can be the equilateral triangles, which means that they're equilateral shapes, so it's okay that they're painted red. This here is not impossible based on this. So we can keep this. Let's go to B. The painting has red parallelograms. The same thing is true. So red parallelograms, remember your parallelograms, that includes squares. And squares are equilateral shapes. All the sides are the same. And so if there are red parallelograms, it's not specified what kind of parallelograms, but it means that you can have red parallelograms that are equilateral. They can be squares, so this is okay. This is not going against what is said up here again. For C, the painting has some red right triangles. Well, when you have a right triangle, the sides are never all the same. By definition of a right triangle, you have one angle that is 90 degrees, so that's going to be your largest angle of the triangle, and the side opposite that is the hypotenuse, which is always the longest side. You're always going to have a hypotenuse with the right triangle, so right triangles can never be equilateral. So this looks like this will be our answer, but let's just go through the rest of them just to be sure. So D, the painting has blue isosceles triangles. Well, it only talks about red equilateral shapes. So if we have a blue shape that is not equilateral, that's okay. It's not going against anything that's been said. It's not going against that statement. So that's okay. And then E, the painting has some rectangles that are red. Well, if you have rectangles that are red, remember that squares can be rectangles. Rectangles can't be squares, but squares can be rectangles, and squares are equilateral. So again, that's not going against the statement here either. So you really have to know your definitions of shapes, their properties, just to answer problems like these, to answer questions like these. And you just kind of need to go through one by one process of elimination to see which one is inconsistent with the statement. So we'll have for our answer C.